What is happening? So today I'm trying to, well, I've been trying to all day get the bed in the Toyota Raptor line. We're going to do it black, but I keep having to stop to do other things. So right now we're going to pick up a baby crib, and then I have to put a battery in Becca's Jeep, and then I'll get back to the Toyota. All right, guys, today is the day. We're going to do the bed liner in the Toyota. So we got all our stuff laid out here. This gun's dirty, obviously. I've used it a couple times already. We're gonna get it going. Alright guys, so we're about to get started here. One of the other problems with the old Yoda is the lack of mirrors. So as you can see over here on the passenger side, she gone. So we ordered some new mirrors and they are here, and we're gonna get those installed. We're gonna get working on this bed. It's dirty and we're gonna get it all sanded out.
Have to record him seeing his truck.
Alright, so there you have, this is the self-etching primer, and you're supposed to put this on any spot where there is bare metal, which this is an old beat up pickup, so it's pretty much the entire bed. A lot of it I just kind of grazed over real lightly, but the deeper stuff I got obviously where it looks like it's actually painted. And then from here we can just start mixing our Raptor liner and get to shooting. So this is the self-etching primer I used. I just got it at my local O'Reilly's. Alright guys, so now we're at the step. We've got our, so we have our bed sanded. We went and power washed it, we got it cleaned. One step that I did forget to video, but I did do, is you need to wipe down the entire surface with acetone. Whatever you're going to be spraying, make sure it's clean, make sure there's no dirt and debris. This Raptor liner is super forgiving, but at the same time, you want to make sure your surface is clean and prepared. So, super simple. You can use a mixing cup, I like it better, or if you follow their instructions, they will tell you just to fill to this line here. I didn't want to get the measurement wrong, so I went ahead and went with the cup. So basically, we're going to take our hardener, you can see that. Eight ounces. The other reason I like to use the cup is because I've got 3 different types from them. I've got this, I've got some smaller 8-ounce cans of these, and now I've got this version. So I never know what they're going to send them in. So we got 8 ounces. We got our Raptor Black. So we're just going to dump this right in here. The key here is to shake the crap out of it for 2 minutes. What we're gonna do is put our gun together. I've heard a few bad reviews on the gun that Raptor actually sends you. I, however, have had absolutely 0 problems. I've used this gun now for 3 different trucks, so obviously clean it really well, make sure there's nothing, no blockages, no clumps. But so far, same original gun that I had. It does come with a pressure gauge, and you will have to adjust the pressure you want. You have to do a little research yourself. It's either the higher the pressure, the thinner, yeah, that's what it is. The higher the pressure that you're shooting at, the smoother the Raptor liner comes. So if you want a rougher look, more like a bed liner, then, you know, shoot around 60, 65 PSI. That's what I've been shooting it at. If you want something that looks closer to smooth like paint, you know, obviously turn your pressure up and it's going to come out smoother. So basically there's your gun. There's your pressure gauge. We'll take the lid off of here. This will screw right to the bottom of it. Professional, dude. All right, guys, so we got the bed liner done, and we are going to try to throw these mirrors on here because if you'll remember, I talked about the lack of mirrors. So what we have here is a set of mirrors. Now these are high quality, high dollar, okay? These things come imported all the way from wherever the cheapest mirrors on Amazon come imported from. But they are going to replace, this is our current passenger side mirror, okay? She's had a rough life, and she does some weird, cool things. All right, so here's our new mirrors. Fancy. All right, so let's go grab some tools. And we got a little tray there. Let's go put this bad boy on. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here. It's getting dark outside. And I grabbed the wrong mirror. Let's try this again. All right. That bad boy's in there. I do have the beauty plate for that, but I don't know where it is. Basically professional. And installed. And it's a common known fact that having two brand new mirrors from Amazon adds like at least 7.5 horsepower. Thanks for watching. That's it for today.